Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use the safe mode on our Sony PS5 console and clear the system cache. So let's check it out. If we have any problems or troubles with our PS5 console, then we can try the safe mode option to check what's going on. We might have already seen this option on smartphones and laptops. This will load the device with only the basic features. Using this, we can clear the system cache on our PS5 too, which helps a lot with memory storage and other issues. We will see the steps one by one now. So we have to first turn off our PS5 console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. It will blink like this and it will turn off. We have to wait till it is completely shut down. Then we have to press and hold the power button again. We have to keep pressing it. We will hear one beep sound when we first press it. And after 7 to 10 seconds, we will hear another beep. So just have to wait for the screen to load. We can also use our remote and go to PlayStation. So it is in safe mode now. You can see the text here. Connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PS button. We have to connect it like this. And the other end to the PlayStation. So now we have to press the PS logo. We will get the screen. We have all these options in the safe mode. We have to press this arrow buttons to navigate. We have restart PS5, change video output, repair console storage, update system software, restore default settings, clear cache and rebuild database, reset PS5, reinstall system software. So here we are going to choose clear cache and rebuild database. Choose this option and press the X button. We will get the screen. So we are going to again press the X button, clear system software cache. The system software cache will be cleared. Select OK, X. So the PS5 console will start to restart now. It will take some time. Getting restarted. So yeah, that's all. Now we can remove the USB cable. Press the PS logo again. And we can start to use our PS5 like we do normally. That's all. These are the steps to use the safe mode on PS5 console and clear the system cache. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.